My name is Brady Bergquist, and I'm a home improvement specialist here at Western Products. Initially on this house there was wood siding that had kind of lived to the end of its life, and the homeowner was looking for a more up-to-date look, which is where we stepped in. On this house we used United States seamless steel siding in color sage. On the main part of the house we used a double 4-inch standard lap. Then we accented that with a vertical board and batten in the gables, along with white, kind of a frieze board, gutters, soffit fascia, and downspouts. For this house, we got a 5-star review. We had a fabulous experience with the team at Western Products. The installers replaced the wood siding on our house with seamless steel siding. From beginning until completion, about 2 weeks, the job was performed with efficiency, courtesy, attention to detail, and immense skill. We are exceptionally pleased with the final product and will recommend Western Products without hesitation. They are skilled professionals who not only completed the project superbly, but also made numerous recommendations that improved the final product. I love hearing it, but this isn't out of the norm for these guys.